Hi, this is Raymond from Tesla Offer.
And this is Warren from Tesla Offer as well.
Here we are in our Hong Kong office and we have exciting news to announce. We have a new product coming out.
And it is the Model Y electric Frunk.
I believe that is the world's first Model Y Frunk, and then I want to talk more about it. A lot of people think that the Model Y Frunk should be very similar to the Model 3 Frunk, but they are in fact very different. The lock mechanism is different, the structure is different, so they actually need to be redesigned. So because of the pandemic situation, is a tough project, but we finally made it after 6 months. So in here, I want to thank JJ from San Diego for having me study the car, and I also want to thank Jason from Wisconsin to help us to do all the testing and installing. Of course, without a great developing team, our engineers in both China and Germany, this won't happen. So I want to thank you them as well. So right now, I would also like to introduce our Germany partner, MTech, who helped a lot in the development. So let's pass the camera to our Germany team.
Thank you, Warren. Thank you, Raymond. We are here in the MTech headquarters in Hamburg, Germany, and we would like to thank the whole team in China, in Hong Kong, our team here in Germany, and also our dear friend JJ from San Diego and Jason from Wisconsin. Without further ado, we would like to introduce you the world's first automatic frunk for the Model Y.
After watching the demo video of the Model Y electric Frunk, I believe you already can't wait to order it immediately.
So here is our launch plan. We are deciding to launch it in around mid-October this year, so try to stay tuned on our site. But we will talk more about our launch plan. In the beginning, our production capacity will be limited. And since we are still refining the installation progress, to make it easier for our end user to install, we are trying to just limit the first stage launching through our premium partner across the country. So if you are our existing customer and you really want to try to install yourself, you can try to ping us or shoot us an email and we can talk more about it.
If you are the installers over the world and you are interested in joining our installer network, feel free to ping us, send us an email or WhatsApp, and we will discuss more about that.
So for more information, you can try to browse our website and then we will put out all the details on the page.
Get more info on teslaoffer.com.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.